Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Okay, so what are you doing right now? Which chapter is going on in maths?
Parabola, sir.
Parabola. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Others?
Parabola only, sir.
Your voice is not clear.
Sir, parabola is going on.
Parabola is going on. Okay, and you?
Sir, for me, recently, like a week ago, the whole syllabus has been completed.
Okay. So if it is possible, for a minute, if you can turn on your video. Okay. Let's introduce ourselves. Okay. Thank you. Introduce something. Tell me something about yourself. Your name, your college. Okay. Okay, place your device on a table. Okay, it will be better for you. Place it on a table. Okay, and sit. Yeah. Okay. Next, your name is what? Voice is not clear. Okay, I think there is some problem in your background. Yeah. Others, my voice is clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just tell me something about yourself. Your name, your school, your hobby.
Sir, my name is Naimisha. I'm studying in Akash.
Okay. And parabola is going on, right?
Yes, sir. We're gonna start parabola today.
Okay. And which school you are from?
I'm from Little Angels.
Okay. And you?
My name is Keetanya, sir. I'm studying in Akash.
Okay. And which chapter is going on?
Parabola started, sir, 2 days ago.
Okay. So all of you are from the same place, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 So see, if possible, you can turn on your video. Okay. It will be more beneficial for me if I see you. Okay. My name is Prakash. Okay. Prakash Kumar. Currently, I am in Jamshedpur. Okay. I have completed my BTech from BIT Sindri, okay, Dhanbad, and I have 8+ year of experience in taking classes. Okay. Last year, one of our students had clear JE. Okay. We were studying. I was teaching. I think two students. Okay, last year, and one of them from Nimyard. They have cleared JE. Okay. Now, how many of you are familiar with this Zoom classes? Raise your hand. So you can see some tab, right? So today we'll just see an introduction class. Okay. How many of you are familiar with Zoom classes? Raise your hand. You can raise hand using this. This. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So do it. Let's see who you are familiar or not. For me, Okay. Okay. So see, I am not used to this name. So what can I say in short? Tell me. I am not used to this name. Naimisa. Naimisha. Okay. Another short form, Naimisha.
Sir, it's Naimisha only.
Naimisha only. Okay. Okay, Naimisha is good. Next, Kritania. Kritania, right?
Kirtanya, sir.
Kirtanya. Okay, okay. It is, I am familiar with that word. Okay, next,
Chudanath, sir.
Sudanath. Okay, okay. Good, good. Okay, so tell me what you have studied till now. Have you studied sets relation function?
Yes,
You
sir.
must
Yes,
have.
sir.
You must have some idea. Okay, this is our whiteboard. Okay. Now, what is that? Anyone? See, this class will be interactive. Okay. So you have to participate. Right? Just tell me what is set. Ritanya, you tell what is set. Yeah. You can use the screen, right? You're able to use it. Namisha, you can use it, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, Ritanya, what is set? You are on mute.
Sir, I don't know the exact definition,
Okay,
but
okay. No, I am not
uh,
asking exact definition. Just tell me what you know about set. I'm not asking exact, and nobody will ask you in your competitive exam as well.
so basically a group of things that have that are similar in some or the other way are usually called set.
Okay. Namisha, is it required for them to be similar, or they can different also?
Sir, they can be different, but they have to share a similar property, like any property that can be measured and that can be measured but not
Okay. And you? So it will take some time for me to recall your name. Yeah.
Sir,
Well
a set is a group of well-defined elements.
defined element. So see, he called another word element. What is element? We were dealing with the word set and he introduced a new word, what element. What is element, Chaitanya? What is element? See, basically in this chapter, na, there are lots of name. Okay. So you must be familiar with all the name. Tell me, what is element? Namisha,
A,
yeah.
a
Chaitanya, you tell.
part of us, like a singular part of a set.
A single part of a set. Okay. Namisha, you
sir, element is a part of a set.
part of a set. Okay. Give me one example of set. One one example of set
Numbers.
numbers. Which number?
Set
Whole
of
Give me
all
a
real
number.
numbers.
Yeah, real number. So you have to define also, na? Which number? Set can be natural number also. Set of natural number. Okay, natural number. Okay, so set is basically how we write set. Capital letter or small letter. If you want to introduce set, how we
capital
write?
letters, sir.
Capital letter. And what about element?
Small letters, sir.
Small letter. Okay, good. So you already know all this. Okay, very good. So these are the basic things. Okay. Which chapter trouble you most? Tell me.
Sir,
Trigonometry, sir.
permutations and combinations.
Okay, I'm writing it down. A and C. Okay. So Vidanya said trigonometry, right? Amisha tell permutation and combination, right? And what about you, Sudhanath?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Sir, I'm having problem solving functions, sir.
function.
So
Okay.
same sum. I also have problem with relations and functions.
Relation and function also you have problem. Okay. And which one you found most easy? That okay, I can crack that.
Sir, complex numbers.
Which one? Complex number.
Yes.
Really?
Yes, sir.
The name is complex, and you are saying you can do it. Okay.
Sir, PNC and binomials.
PNC. Very good. And binomial.
Yes, sir.
Sir, sets.
Sets. Okay. Sets he is saying. Okay. How many of you started solving previous year question? Raise your hand. Means previous year question means I am saying JE mains question, JE advanced question. How many of you started? Okay, Namisha started. Which chapter? Namisha?
Sir, they are given for all the chapters, sir, in a textbook along with the normal,
Okay,
all the
so
JEE mains and advanced previous questions.
you are solving mixed problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
Chaitanya, you?
for us in our Akash material, after each lesson there is a exercise called step 2. It's like mains type of
Okay.
questions and PYQs they give in it. So not
Okay.
completely, but I have tried 5 to 10 questions in each lesson.
Okay, very good, very good. At least you should try. And what about you?
Sir, mine is also like Kirtanya. For me, they completed the whole textbook exercises and
So
then they went for a few of the mains questions.
you and Chaitanya are in Akash, right?
No, sir.
Then
Sir, me and
I'm
Chaitanya and Akash.
okay. And you?
I, I'm from presidential, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay then. And see, how many of you have previous year question bank chapter wise? Chapter wise previous year question. Okay. Pranath has that. What about you?
Sir, I tried questions from few chapters, but not all chapters, not the chapters. But
No,
I
no.
found the ones
I'm
which I
asking
found
how
easy.
many of you have question bank chapter wise. There are different type na. They have year wise question bank. They have sample test paper. You have chapter wise. Okay.
Sir, I don't have one, but I go here to the center, Nimiar. So
Okay.
usually
There you can find.
Lucky ma'am provides me.
Yeah, there you can find. Okay, okay, fine, fine. So see, it is very important na that we study basic one first. Okay, basic should be very much clear and solve question as many question as you can. Okay, then only your confidence will improve and you can score well. Okay, and revision is the key, right? The more you revise, the more you will learn things. Sometimes we say, okay, I have already studied set, why will I again study set, right? Generally it happens na. Okay, I have already studied set, so why I will study again? So why you will study? Because the if you revise or if you do it again, you will learn new things. Okay, so my flow will be like I will be taking set relation function first. Okay, then trigonometry. Okay, then your coordinate geometry. Okay, likewise. Okay. Now complex number. Uh, Narsima was told na for complex number. Okay, Narsima, you have solved complex number from which book?
Sir, our Akash material, sir, we have previous year questions. Previous year questions and the exercise.
Okay, how many of you have basic book with you? Means basic, you can say
Sir,
artificial
basic
mark.
as in NCRT text.
NCRT you have, na? Okay, good.
Yes.
And what about you, Kritanya?
Sir, currently to basic book I use Vishal sir's Andhra book, which ma'am only gave me for practice.
Okay. And what about you,
NCRT, sir.
NCRT? You have, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And next question. How many of you are solving it? Means question by question. How many of you have solved it? NCRT complete. Okay. Rana is saying. Kritanya is saying.
Sir, NCRT, so I started solving from PNC, like first NCRT, then like standard book, and then
Okay.
PYQs.
Yeah, that should be sequence. Okay. That should be your sequence. First, basic book, so that you can know all the basic things first. Then some standard book along with plus your PYQ. Okay. That should be your sequence. Right? Who is following it till now? Namisha, are you following it?
Sir, I did that for the few chapters, but
Few chapters. Okay. Okay. How many of you think that 11 is more difficult than 10th? How many of you think that? Okay. Maths. Okay. Good. It is actually lengthy, right? It is actually lengthy. Okay. Now my next question. Which is your favorite? Physics, chemistry, math? One by one.
Maths, sir.
sir, chemistry.
What is that? Maths. Okay. Nasima is saying
Physics, sir.
chemistry. You told, no, Nasima? Namisha, sorry. Namisha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you, Kritanya? Chemistry,
Physics, sir.
physics. Okay. Then also physics. Okay. So see, whosoever have favorite, but if you want to crack JEE, okay, you have to be very much good in this. Okay, chemistry. How many of you agree on this? Right? You have to be very good in chemistry. Why I am telling you? Because see, we have limited time for JEE mains, right? In less time you have to score more. Okay, and chemistry is the thing you can just see and you can finish it in within. I think if you are very good, you can finish in 30 minutes. Okay, all questions. Okay, so for that thing, your chemistry should be good if you want to crack the JEE mains. Okay, your chemistry, if your chemistry is good in, okay, and you are average in your physics and maths, means average means average solving, right? Not that I am entirely average, means average questions you have solved, then you are good to go. Okay, so that is one point. So why I am telling you in the starting, because see many of students na, they neglect chemistry from class 11th only. Okay, don't do that, right? And chemistry only NCRT if you are doing na, most of the things is covered, right? So how many of you have done chemistry NCRT or following chemistry NCRT?
Sir, chemistry, all chapters I do NCRT first, and then after that my exercise.
And what
Textbook
about
I do.
PYQ?
Sir, PYQs also I'm trying. Sir, not getting the answers of all of them, but I'm trying. Few I'm getting, few I'm not.
Yeah, we should try, right? We should try and try just after finishing the chapter. Same thing is with maths also. Okay, maths also we should go with PYQ. It is not possible to cover all questions, right, in one go. Okay, so try to my flow will be your basic thing first. Okay, then I will giving you questions. Okay, then PYQ questions. Okay, like that. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Any question from your side? Anyone? No. Okay, fine. Now, how many of you are comfortable waking up at 6:30, taking class at 6:30? Okay, okay, everyone is. Okay, good. See, the time is chosen so that we have longer duration of a day, right? Generally, we wake up late. And how many of you are at school just after class? All go to school, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Last year, I was taking one class. That student is not going school, non-schooling student.
Our
Okay,
college starts at 9:30, sir. So we
9:30.
have time. Yes.
Okay, okay, fine.
So for me, my school starts at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Okay, so it is little bit uh, touching your school timing, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So let's start with sets. Okay, so it's you told correctly. Set is a collection of number, right? It can be anything, right? It can be collection of number. It can be collection of your rivers. It can be collection of your mountain. It can be collection of your books. It can be collection of your coin, right? These are all set. Okay, so what is why we use set? Tell me why we use set. Why set is required?
To categorize.
To basically classify, categorize, right, things. Okay, now as we already told that set is represented by a letter capital A, right? Now if you have elements, we represent it by small a. Okay, now you tell me set of, all of you write on the screen, set of vowel. Let's see how can how many of you know how to write set of all vowel. Okay, name set a, take different places. Okay, just write set of vowel, set of all vowels. Okay, you write here. Okay, I think okay. Okay, we generally don't use capital letter, okay, for the element. Otherwise, it is fine. Okay, we use small letter just like they have shown A E I O U, small letter, and capital letter is used for representing this A. Okay, okay. How many of you know what subset?
If there is a collection of, if there is a set inside a set, it's called a subset.
Okay,
Or a subset is a group of elements which are a part of the set. Like in a
Yes.
set, if there are elements and you take out the elements and create another set which are a part of the main set, it's called a subset.
Yeah. So basically, if you have A, B, C as set, okay. Now, what will be the subset of this? Means part of this. Okay. Just take out part of this. It can be A, right? B, C, right? It can be AB also, right? It can be BC also. It can be AC also, and it can be ABC also. Whole is also a part, no? Yes or no? Now count it. How many?
The null set,
Yeah, null set also. Very good. Null set is also a subset. Okay, now count. How many we got? 1,
8, sir.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 we got. Okay, now if I tell you, if I have a subset, let's say A, B, okay, A, B, okay, how many subset I can get?
Sir, 4.
Number of subset, 4. Others, what is the way to find? What is the way to find?
2 power number of elements in sets.
Yeah, correct. So this is the first thing we should know, that number of subset is 2 to the power n. Okay, all of you write this. Number of subset is 2 to the power n, where n is what? Number of element, right? Similarly, you can see how many elements are there. 1, 2, 3. So what is 2 to the power 3? 8. So we have 8 elements. Okay, this formula is very useful when we find your relation also. Okay, when we study relation also. Written.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the way to represent set? How many way you can represent set?
Sir, set builder form and roster.
Okay, what are those ways to represent? Okay, means way to represent set. What are those, Nazima? Sorry, Namisha. Sorry. Yeah. What are those?
Sir, set builder form and roster.
No, no. What is set builder and what is roster form?
Sir, roster form, you represent all the elements in the set.
Okay. And set builder?
Sir, you represent them as a range between something.
Okay. So you write some form, right? Formula for it. For example, so basically you write way to represent set. There are two way to represent sets. Two method for representing. First is roster. You write this two ways. First way is roster or tabular form. Second way is set builder form. Okay. That you already know, right? What are those? Just quickly tell me. Kritanya, you tell what is the difference between these two?
Sir, in this thing, set builder form, like we write it verbally. Like for example, all element like if they tell to write a set for all multiples of 2 in
Okay.
roster form, we write it as 2 comma 4 comma, like we write it we write the each
Element.
set we write each element, whereas in set builder form, we write it as x is to x by 2 n, where n belongs to all real numbers.
Okay. Is it correct? Okay, just do one thing. Yeah, all of you just do one thing. Represent this in both form. Okay, this one. Let's see how many of you can do this. In set builder form. Done. So we have to define a variable, right? In this, we have to define a variable. X such that okay, Kritania, correct? Just one correction. What you have written here?
X square, sir.
Yeah, so you have already written x na. So x such that x equals to n square you have to write. Okay. And you have to mention n belongs to natural number. Okay. Not real number. Right. If it is real number, then half will also come na. Fraction will also come, negative also come. All are positive. Right. And it will be natural number. Okay. Otherwise it is correct. Others, where they have mentioned. You can write on your copy also. Okay. Okay, now just so you know already this set builder form and this form. Okay, now tell me what you know about equal set. Okay, before that, tell me, is this a finite set or infinite set?
Infinite, sir.
Infinite.
Infinite.
Infinite. Why it is infinite?
Because the number of elements in the set keeps on going. It doesn't stop at one number.
There is not ending, right? It keeps on going, so it is infinite set. So basically, we can have finite set also, infinite set also. Okay. Now, equal set. What are equal sets? As the name also already says, two set having say Kirtanya, you say what are equal sets?
Sets having same elements.
Yeah, same element. Okay, now you tell me if I have set A, okay, let's say A, B, E, D, okay, and I have set B, okay, that is having D, E, B, A. Are they equal?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nimsa, are they equal?
No, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Namisa, are they equal?
Sir, is the first letter D, sir, in
Yeah,
the second set?
yeah.
Yes, sir, they're equal.
Okay, two are saying equal. Why they are not equal?
Sir, I actually thought that the first element was D, so A, so I said no.
Okay. No, it is D only. So the thing is sequence doesn't matter, right? In sets, sequence doesn't matter. Okay. Now we have one thing that is called subset. Okay. If A is a subset of B, we write like this. Give me one example of subset.
Sir, AB is a subset.
AB is a subset. No, I'm saying just giving example like general example how subset we can define. Okay, just like you can have a school. Okay, and you can have let's say different classes. Okay, in school there are different classes from 1 to 12. So one class, let's say your 8, okay, is a subset of whole school, right? Like that. Another example of subset.
Sir, like if there are a group of people who watch cricket, there might be a group of in that in that set. There might be a subset who like a specific player.
Okay, so
So
that,
that comes as a subset.
okay, good. Namisha, you say?
Sir, if the set is taken as A set is taken as no, sir, the B set is taken as the positive real numbers, collection of all positive real numbers, and the its subset will be all the even positive numbers.
Okay, fine. Can I say integer is a subset of real number?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct, na? Similarly, your natural number is a subset of real number, right? So this is the subset. Now, okay, just one basic thing. If I am telling you, how many of you know to use bracket? Okay. See, I am telling basic things first. Okay. Now you say if I have two elements, let's say a b. Okay. So not just two elements. Let's say on a number line, I want to represent from 1 to 4. Okay. So how I will represent if both included? Okay, means not just 1, not just 4. Okay, I want whole number from 1 to 4. How I will write it in bracket? Right on the top. Okay, yeah. Okay, so everyone is muting different. Uh, okay, okay, correct. What I said in bracket. In bracket, how I will write? Okay, I'm giving you one example. 1 to 4. I will write like this. Uh, 1 to 4 like this. Okay. Now in this case, if the bracket is this is what kind of bracket? Close bracket or open bracket?
Closed bracket, sir.
So what is the meaning? Is 1 included in this?
Both 1 and 4 are included.
Okay. Now if I want to include 1 and exclude 4, so I will write. I
Sir,
want to
you keep
include.
a closed bracket near 1 and open bracket near 4.
Okay, good. Now if I want only 1 and 4, not whole number, means I don't want 2, 3 like that. So I will write only 1 and 4. Only 1 and 4. Anyone writing? Sudhanath, you say if I want only 1 and 4.
Sir, 1 comma 4.
Yeah, 1 comma 4. But which bracket I will use? 1 comma 4 is fine. But which bracket I will use? See, if I use this bracket 1 comma 4, then also it is including 2, 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want only 1 and only 4. So I will write.
Sir, x equal to 1 comma 4.
Using bracket, just bracket. Okay, so you are saying x equals to 1 comma 4 like that. But you are not using bracket, na? I want you to use bracket. Use bracket. Hamisa, you say 1 comma 4. How to use? How to represent? Okay, see, it is very simple. Curly bracket, if you write 1 comma curly bracket, you write 4, that means only one element. Okay, so the thing is, if you want to use single element, okay, we use this curly bracket both side. If you want to range from 1 to 4, we write like this, 1 and 4 excluded. If I want to include 1 exclude 4, I write like this. If you want to include both, I write 1 comma 4 like this. Okay. Now on a number line, how to represent this 1 comma 4? All of you, means basically I am saying what symbol we use. If I write 1 comma 4, what symbol will use? Yes, Kirtanya, what symbol I will use? 1 comma 4. Okay, it will be like this, na? Right? If I want to include 1, this will be in bold, right? If I want to include 4 also, it will be in bold. How many of you know this? Raise your hand that I already know this. Okay. Kritanya, you don't know?
No, sir. Like this was not taught to us.
Okay. So it is now you know, right? If
Yes,
I
sir.
write just okay, now I am just saying 2. Okay. Now you have to include 1 to 4 but not 2. Just show us quickly. You have to include 1 also, you have to include 4 also, you don't have to include 2. Okay, how you will write? Represent actually. Nasimma, sorry, Namisa, you write in a set. Okay, I want to include 1 and 4 but don't not 2. How I will write? Namisa, you write here. Okay, understood na question?
Yes, sir.
1 to 4 I want, but I want to eliminate just one number, that is 2. Okay, how I will write? Rudanath, you know? Namisa, you are writing? I have given you space here, yeah. Okay. On graph, how I will do? Rudanath, how I will do on graph? I have to zoom out so that I can see it. Yeah. So you are including 1, you are including 4, so both will be in dark. Okay, all of you see this, and 2 will be in open. Okay, open means this gap, close means set it. Okay, clear now? No confusion, right? It should be an crystal clear on this. Now, Namita, what I have given you, you have to include 1 and 4, but don't you have to just eliminate this. So it will be 1 comma 4, right? Minus, you have to write curly bracket 2. Okay, means
Yes, sir.
1 comma 4 is included and 2 is excluded. Okay, so only one element you are excluding, so curly bracket. Okay, fine. I hope it is clear. Chaitanya, it is clear now?
Yes, sir.
So representation also we
Sir,
should know. Yeah.
sir, the part with the graph, how you represented it on the graph, I didn't get that.
See, 1 to 4. Okay, and there is one element 2 also. So I want to include 1. I want to include 4 also. Okay, but I don't want 2. I will keep it open. I will take entire part, right, and I will keep 2 open. Okay, that means I am taking all element, means you are taking all this. Okay, except this 2. Got it? Understood na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now union. What is union? If I have, how to represent union? Kirtanya, how we write union?
You, sir.
U. Okay. So just tell me union of A, B, C. Okay. I am giving you element. A element is this, B, B, and C, C. So you have to write A union B union C. 3 element I have given. In there is 3 set. A set A element, B set B element, and C set C element. You have to write A union B union C. You have to write A union B union C. Yeah, correct. So Churanath has done correctly. Kritnya also correct. Okay, so basically all will be included. Now if I have, let's say, A comma B comma C in this, okay, and I want A union B union C. So what will be answer? Sorry.
So the answer will be same.
Answer will be same, right? So even if we have repeated elements, okay, we write in set only once, right? That is actually funda. Got it? Now what
Yes,
is
sir.
intersection? Intersection.
The common
Common of
elements, sir.
both the sets.
So tell me intersection of A intersection B. A intersection B. It will be B, right? The common thing. Okay. That you have no, right? Now we have difference of set means A minus B. What is A minus B? Set A minus set B.
Yes, sir.
A, okay. Namisha, A minus B.
Sir, not A, A, C. A comma C.
So from A you have to minus B. So the thing that is in B you have to minus. So it will be your AC, right? AC. Now what is complement? Complement set.
Sir, like everything except the part which is in the set.
Yeah. So basically we say complement uh, like this. If you have best way to represent it with set Venn diagram. If you have set A, okay. So what is complement of set A? What is complement of set A? Can you say it?
U minus A, sir.
U minus A. So basically this part, right? All these part are complement of set A. How many of you know Venn diagram or find difficulty to use Venn diagram? Okay. So see, many question we can solve using Venn diagram, right? Many question in exam we can solve using Venn diagram. For example, if you they have given you A intersection B intersection C. Okay, three sets are there. A intersection B intersection C. Represent this on Venn diagram. Okay. One thing is missing, Namisa, in this, in that. Chaitanya, you have done, na? This one? Okay, Namisa, you have done. This universal set is missing. Okay. You have first we draw universal set, then we draw all these elements, right? A, B, C. Okay. So the A intersection B intersection C is this one, right? Where all things are common. Okay. Okay, correct, correct. So we have seen all the terminology used in set. Mostly most things we have discussed today. Okay. Let's revise what we have done. Let's summarize this class. Amisha, what we have done today. Summarize it.
Sir, we learned about sets and how we represent sets, like the subsets of sets and
Okay. So we have
union
discussed
and
also
intersection of
the
sets, and
right.
how we represent sets in different forms.
So what are the different forms? How we represent set, Ritanya?
Sir, set builder form and roster form, sir.
Okay. What is set builder from?
In set builder form, we describe the set by words. In roster form, we show each and every element.
Okay. We have also discussed how to use bracket, right? How
Yes, sir.
to use bracket. If we do close bracket, that means what? Both elements are,
Included,
yeah. If both bracket are open, then both element are boundary element.
excluded.
Excluded.
Ex-
That is very important when we see. If we talk about set directly question, there the percentage is less. Okay, but its application is more. Okay, same thing, same bracket thing. You will find importance when we study limit, continuity, and differentiability. Right. The bracket is because at one point they want to check whether it is continuous or not, whether it is differentiable or not, like that. Okay, at that point it will be important, right? What else we have discussed, Sudhana?
Sir, we have discussed about union intersection of sets and complement of a set.
Yes,
Uh, that's all.
we have discussed
And then the
union.
subsets as well.
Yeah, so how many subset are there, Chudanath? If you have n element, how many subset you can form?
2 power n, sir.
2 power n. Okay. Okay, then see, this will be the flow. Every day we'll summarize this. Whenever we have class, we'll summarize this. In next class, what we'll do? We'll do questions. Okay, from sets. Okay, it is fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.